Yo, what is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record your screen on any iPhone, iPad, and iPod if you're living in the year 2005. But as we get into this, you just want to be at your home screen and all that. Pull up settings. Once you get to settings, it's going to be about maybe about 6 hit on my phone down. It's going to be the control center. That is what you are looking for. You want to go down to the control center and give that the good old clickaroonie, and that's going to pull up some more settings. It's going to go pull up access within apps and customize controls. Once you see this, you're going to want to click on the customize controls button. When you click on customize controls, it's going to pull up even more. As you can see, I have screen recording already being used because I'm using it to record this video right now. But when you come down to the bottom down here, down by low power mode, magnifier, and notes, that's where you're going to find the screen recording. You just click the little green button on there. I pull up the little wallet. And that just puts it right on there, that little pull-up screen on your phone. So you just take that one off. But once you have it on there, you're just going to see the little screen recording thing on there, and you can click it anytime you wish and record your screen to any capability that you wish. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed.